everyone, I'm Angelica Gasgas, and today we are going to discuss of how evaluating online information, including their examples. So let's hear with Mr. John Loyd to explain the importance of evaluating online information.
So, you know how internet is this massive place where you can find information on just about anything, right? Well, the problem is, not everything you find online is wrong or right. Some websites have opinions, and sometimes that's why you need an object. Now, one thing is, many users use different languages, right? Some sections are negative. When you see a Facebook site, you can easily identify a high-tech keyword meaning something that is true or untrue. And there are times that someone writes something like this shows someone has more expertise rather than trusted advice. Not every information is 100% correct. In a world with such a message, where it can get more information, it's also important that we look for reliable information.
Examples and explanation for generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can produce new text, images, audio, and video in response to user prompts. One of example of AI is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails.
Next example is Chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program that simulates human conversation with an end user. Not all chatbots are equipped with artificial intelligence, but modern chatbots increasingly use conversational techniques such as natural language processing (NLP) to understand user questions and automate responses to them.
Generative AI creates text that mimics human writing. It is a type of machine learning based on massive datasets that follows language patterns by predicting combinations of words that are likely to occur together. However, the ability to follow patterns is not the same as the ability to discern facts. It does not actually understand the context or the meaning of the text it creates.
Now, can you assess the information generative AI gives you? The first key of how evaluating information online generation
to check currency. Currency, when a document was created, edited, updated, or revised, is an important factor in evaluating any information source. If you need recent information on a world event or a new development in research, generative AI may not have that information in its data test. As of October 2023, if you ask ChatGPT how recent the data it's trained on is, it will tell you that its information comes from 2021, and it does not have the ability to pull current information from the internet.
Authority in the context information evaluation refers to the credibility and reliability of the source providing the information. It involves assessing whether the source has the expertise, trustworthiness, and factual accuracy necessary to be considered reliable for the topic at hand.
How reliable is the information available about the AI technology? The same principle for evaluating information sources apply to generative AI. Tests such as SIF and radar tests can be helpful in determining the information you found is reliable. However, some of the questions we typically ask ourselves about sources may be more difficult to answer when consulting generative AI because the process it takes to arrive and the answer is not public.
accuracy by using the groundedness metric when you need to verify that AI-generated response align with and are validated by provided context. It is essential for applications where factual correctness and contextual accuracy are the key, like information retrieval, question answering, and content summarization.
Hosts. This is the person who published the website or article. But don't always trust the generated AI words because we are not sure where the generated AI get this article. Always check the eligibility of the host if you're going to use it and always cite the reference.
Is the website easy to navigate and use? You may find a good information on a website, but it's very messy and difficult to find that information, and it will make it difficult to your readers to later trace those citations and figure out the exact source and location of information that you use.
The UBC guide helps you check if AI generated content is reliable. It suggests confirming info with other sources, avoiding fake citations, and ensuring data is current. It also introduces the robot test to judge AI tools by reliability, objectivity, bias, ownership, and type.
The UBC guide on generative AI and ChatGPT outlines how to evaluate from generative AI using various tests and principles. It suggests comparing AI-generated information with reliable sources, verifying citations to avoid hallucinations, checking the currency of information, and being aware of the course of recursion. For AI models degrade if trained on AI-generated data, the robot test is recommended for evaluating AI technologies, focusing on reliability, objectivity, bias, ownership, and type.
Is on our website. There's no ads, so we have to do other criteria of evaluating info. But in other website, you can see the ads to offer a refreshingly distraction-free experience, devoid of intrusive pop-up ads or distracting banner placements.
Remember, not all you see in online is true. There's a lot of fake news and so on. We hope these our insight will help you to be aware and informed to fact check of any information online.
That's all for today's presentation. Have a good day, everyone. Again, thank you for listening.